The Arduino JSON library is a fantastic piece of software. It's got really good documentation, and the author has even created a tool that really helps when we're doing the projects with Arduino JSON, which we'll talk about in a moment. In fact, I don't think Arduino JSON gets the credit it deserves. It's a fundamental building block of a huge amount of IoT projects on the ESP8266 and ESP32. I used Arduino JSON for basically all my projects where an API was responding with JSON, other than one particular use case where the payload was too big for the ESP8266 that it wouldn't have been able to parse all that data, and I needed to use something else to kind of skip through the things that I didn't want. But in a recent addition to the Arduino JSON library, they've now introduced filters, and we'll cover that too, and it's a really good improvement. There are two main parts to the Arduino JSON library. There's the serialization part and deserialization. Serialization is where you take data and convert it to JSON, and then deserialization is where you take JSON and convert it back to data. When you're working with APIs and the response comes back as JSON, you want to deserialize it so you can use it as variables in the rest of your project.